OpenClaw, new free update. OpenClaw just dropped something wild, and it's completely free. AI agents are now living, moving, and working together inside a virtual world. Not just answering questions, actually existing. This changes everything about how you think about AI automation. I'm going to show you exactly what's happening, why it matters, and how you can use this right now. Stay till the end because I've got something that's going to save you hundreds of hours. So here's the deal. OpenClaw just released a massive free update, and most people have no idea this is even a thing yet. But this is one of those moments where AI jumps a level, not a small step, a big one. Here's what's new. OpenClaw now lets AI agents live inside a virtual world together, not just one agent doing one task, multiple agents running at the same time in the same space with their own lives, their own goals, and their own ways of working together. Think about that for a second. You've got AI agents that can talk to each other, pass information back and forth, divide up work, and run on their own while you sleep. That's not just a chatbot, that's something completely different. Let me break down exactly what this update means and why you should care. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian, Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. First, let's talk about what OpenClaw actually is. OpenClaw is a free AI agent framework. A framework means it's the structure, it's the system, it's the thing that lets you build and run AI agents without having to code everything from scratch. You just plug in the logic, point it at a task, and let it go. Now, before this update, OpenClaw was already powerful. You could run a single agent, give it a goal, and it would figure out how to complete that goal step by step. That alone is huge for automation. But now it's a whole different level. With this update, OpenClaw agents now exist inside a shared virtual environment. Picture it like a virtual office. You've got multiple AI agents walking around that office. Each one has its own role. Each one has its own task. They can communicate with each other. They can hand off work. They can even make decisions based on what the other agents are doing. This is what people in AI call multi-agent systems. And it's one of the fastest growing areas in AI right now. The reason it's so powerful is because it mirrors how real teams work. In your business, you don't have one person doing everything. You've got a team. Everyone has a role, everyone talks to each other, everyone moves the work forward. Now your AI can work the same way. Here's an example. Let's say you want to grow the AI profit boardroom. You want more people joining the community, more leads coming in, more content going out. Before, you'd have to either do all of that yourself, hire a team, or use a bunch of separate tools that don't talk to each other. With OpenClaw's new multi-agent setup, you could run something like this. If you want to see how this applies directly to building and scaling your own AI systems, this is exactly the kind of thing we go deep on inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, save hundreds of hours with AI automation, and get more customers. If you want to learn how to set up multi-agent systems like OpenClaw for your business, the link is in the comment and description. Agent 1 is your research agent. Its job is to go out and find what questions people are asking about AI automation. What are people typing into Google? What are they struggling with? It feeds all of that back to the system. Agent 2 is your content agent. It takes what Agent 1 found and turns it into content, blog posts, video scripts, email drafts, social media posts, content that speaks directly to what people actually want to know. Agent 3 is your outreach agent. It takes that content, finds the right places to post it, and pushes it out. Maybe it's engaging in communities, maybe it's building backlinks, maybe it's finding leads who'd be a perfect fit for the AI Profit Boardroom. And all three of these agents are running at the same time in the same virtual environment, passing information back and forth, working like a team. Now, that's just one example. The use cases here are massive, and we're just at the start. Let me talk about the virtual world piece, because this is what makes this update different from anything else out there right now. Okay? Most multi-agent systems just have agents sending messages to each other, like emails going back and forth. OpenClaw's new update gives agents a shared space to exist in. They're not just passing notes, they're operating in the same environment. They can see what other agents are doing. They can respond to changes in that environment in real time. They can adapt. This is much closer to how real intelligence works. When you and your team are in the same room, you're not just sending messages, you're reading the room, you're picking up on what's happening around you, you're adjusting. OpenClaw's agents can now do something similar. For anyone building AI automation systems, this is a game changer because it means your agents can be more flexible, more responsive, and more effective at completing complex multi-step tasks. And here's the thing that really matters for you. This is free. OpenClaw is an open source framework. You can download it, run it, and build with it at no cost. That means the barrier to getting started is just about zero. One of the big things about this virtual world setup is persistence. That means the agents and the environment they live in don't just reset every time you run them. They can remember, they can build on previous work, they can develop over time. This is huge because one of the biggest problems with AI agents right now is memory. Most AI systems forget everything the moment the session ends. You have to start from scratch every time. But with a persistent virtual environment, your agents can carry context forward. They know what happened yesterday, they know what tasks are ongoing, they can pick up where they left off. For business automation, this is massive. Think about a customer support agent that actually remembers every past conversation with a customer, or a content agent that knows what you've already published and never repeats itself, or a lead generation agent that tracks every prospect and knows exactly where they are in the pipeline. That's what persistence unlocks. Now, let me talk about how you'd actually get started with OpenClaw if you want to try this. OpenClaw is available on GitHub, it's open source. You can fork it, clone it, and run it locally. The setup requires some technical knowledge, but it's not out of reach. If you're comfortable with Python, you can get a basic agent running in a few hours. The new multi-agent virtual world features are part of the latest release. You'll want to pull the most recent version and check the documentation for how to set up multiple agents inside the shared environment. Here's a practical way to start. Build one agent first, give it a single task. Something simple. Maybe it's an agent that pulls data from a website and summarizes it. Get that working. Then add a second agent that takes that summary and does something with it. Maybe it formats it into a post. Get that working. Then you got two agents talking to each other. That's a multi-agent system. From there, you add more. The key thing is to start simple. Don't try to build the whole virtual office on day one. Pick one workflow, automate one thing, then build from there. For the AI Profit Boardroom, for example, I'd start with a research and content pipeline. Agent 1 pulls trending topics in AI automation every day. Agent 2 takes those topics and drafts content outlines. That's it. Two agents, one workflow. But that one workflow could save hours every week. There's also something really interesting happening in the broader AI world that this update connects to. The whole industry is moving toward what people call agentic AI. That means AI that acts, not just AI that answers, AI that takes steps, makes decisions, uses tools, and moves work forward on its own. OpenClaw is right at the center of this shift, and the virtual world update is a big signal of where things are going. Multi-agent systems with shared environments, persistent memory, and real-time coordination. That's the next phase of AI automation. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like OpenClaw. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description.